If we have to get things right, we should learn to be time conscious. We should be organized. Yesterday, I got a call from the GMD that you'll be visiting this state. I called him back about 4:30 something p.m. and I asked him, confirm this appointment so I can also organize my people. He said he was going to get back to me. When I woke up by 5, I saw a message on my phone past almost to 11 that we are coming by 9:30 a.m. I don't know how other people do theirs, but I like considering people, giving them their own time. If I had this information at a good time, I would have informed the ESCO members to be ready, and I receive you in the ESCO chamber. So that is the reason why I'm having this as a private audience. Who are the big people in this business? They are not people here. They are those people in Abuja who have these licenses, who do this exportation. It's not my people here. So if those people in Abuja are not encouraging it, I don't think the business will flourish. That's the truth. It's just like a thief. If he's going to steal this camera and somebody is not buying it, he won't be encouraged to go and steal it. It's because somebody is already telling, look, oh, if you can get this camera, I'm willing to buy it immediately. So we need to work not just on the locals, but also see what we can do to really clamp down on these big ones that sits in Abuja that are also part of the big government. Security of pipeline and all those stuff should not be given to one man or one person to say, look, oh, you're going to handle somebody from Calabari to come and control what is happening in Obebema. It's not possible now. Somebody from Obebema to come and control what is happening in Ogoni. You can understand that there's no way to work. We need to come down, look at it in such a way that we bring in all these people, all these communities, their heads, or whatever you want to call them. Those people you're dealing with in this other end, but look for the anchor people that can really talk to them, people that can influence. Once we're able to catch them and make them part of the process, it will on its own just go down.